Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to cancel a pending payment on PayPal. So for this, first of all, log in with your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, this interface will open. Now on the top, we have activities option. Click on activities. So from here, you will find all the activities of your payment. So click on the filter on the top right corner as the filter is set to 90 days. So we will choose it to this month, or you can customize the date range from here. Then select the status, and from here you can choose pending or you can choose invoices to pay. I will choose this. Then we have transaction type, so I will go with payments. Now apply a filter. So there you will find if you have any pending payments here, and then you will find the cancel button in front of the pending payment. Simply click on cancel and then the payment will be cancelled. So this is the easiest way to cancel a pending payment on PayPal. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.